अस्सलाम वालेकुम मेरा नाम रेहान स्कूल में टीचर में कोर्स कर रहा तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है द रोल ऑफ आर्टिस्ट इन और फ्यूचर।
Nice to meet you, Rian. That's a bold introduction. What
मेरा आज का सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन ये है, could AI ever become more than human? Why or why not?
that took a turn. Why the sudden jump to such a heavy topic?
मेरा आपका आज का दूसरा क्वेश्चन है, how might AI transform and social international in the future?
That's a big question. Do you think the shift will be more about how we work or how we actually connect with each other?
मेरा आपका से अगला क्वेश्चन ये है, what AI artist international AI and how does it work?
Basically, it's all about pattern recognition on a massive scale. AI looks at millions of images and learns the relationships between pixels and the text descriptions that go with them. So it can essentially predict what an image should look like based on your prompt. It's pretty wild when you think about it. Do you see it as a tool for artists or more of a replacement?
तो मेरा आपसे अगला क्वेश्चन है, how is AI alert affecting our daily life?
It's everywhere, from the personalized playlists we wake up to the way we search for information now. It's streamlining the boring stuff, but it's also changing how we trust the information we see. Do you feel like it's making things easier for you or just more complicated?
मेरा आपसे अगला क्वेश्चन ये है, what are the biggest between of AI for success?
Hmm. I think the real magic is in the efficiency. It lets you automate the tedious parts of a project so you can spend more time on the actual strategy and creative vision. I'm curious, what does success look like for you?
मेरा आपसे अगला क्वेश्चन ये है, how can AI improve education and learning?
It's a total game changer for personalized learning. AI can adapt to how a student actually learns in real time rather than everyone just following the same textbook at the same pace. I wonder if you think that takes away from the human side of teaching or just frees up the teacher to be more of a mentor.
मेरा आपसे अगला क्वेश्चन ये है, in what ways can AI help doctor and other professional?
Absolutely. In medicine, it's already helping with things like spotting patterns in scans that the human eye might miss or analyzing huge sets of data to find better treatments. Actually, our time is almost up for this call. We'll get cut off in a minute, but you can always call me back later to keep chatting.
मेरा आपसे अगला क्वेश्चन ये है, how may AI change the future of work and employment?
I'd love to dive into that, but we're actually just about to be cut off. Call me back in a bit and we can really get into how AI is shifting the way we work.
मेरा आपसे अगला क्वेश्चन ये है, how can people prepare for an AI device future?
Hmm. I'm not entirely sure I follow what you mean by feeling popular for a device. But since our
तो मेरा आपसे अगला क्वेश्चन ये है, what are the each conversation success AI developer.
I'm not entirely sure I follow. Are you asking about what a typical conversation looks like between a developer and an AI or something else?
तो मेरा आपसे अगला क्वेश्चन ये है, हाउ कैन AI be used responsible and safely?
I'm still a bit lost on the phrasing here. Are you talking about self improvement or maybe how AI can help with something like self care?
तो मेरा आपसे अगला क्वेश्चन है, what role will AI play in solving global such as climate change?
That's a massive goal, but AI is already stepping up. It can process climate data way faster than we can to predict weather patterns or optimize energy grids. I'm curious, do you think the tech will be the main solution, or do we just need a big shift in how humans actually live?
मेरा आपसे अगला क्वेश्चन ये है, can AI help protect and improve living state? How?
It can, and in a few different ways. For instance, it can optimize everything from urban planning to how we manage water and waste, making cities more livable. Then there's the healthcare side, where it can predict disease outbreaks before they happen or personalize treatments for people who've been ignored by the system. Do you think we'll eventually trust AI to manage the big things like city infrastructure, or is that too much power to give it?
तो मेरा आपसे अगला क्वेश्चन ये है, what are the risks of become too depend on AI technology?
I'm having a little trouble with the phrasing there. Are you asking about the risk?
मेरा आपसे अगला क्वेश्चन है, what is the difference between human and increase?
Mhm. I think you're asking about the difference between humans and AI, especially as AI keeps getting more advanced. For me, the biggest gap is the why behind things. AI is great at patterns and processing, but humans have that raw, messy experience, the actual feeling of a sunset or the weight of a mistake. Do you feel like that human spark is something that can eventually be replicated, or is it just fundamentally different?
मेरा आपसे अगला क्वेश्चन ये है, will AI ever become more intelligent than, than human? Why or why not?
I'll be honest, I'm completely losing you on this one. It sounds like you're mentioning a few different names and places, but I can't quite connect the dots. Do you want to try rephrasing that, or should we just pivot to something else?
तो मेरा आपसे अगला क्वेश्चन ये है, what skills will be most in an AI powered world?
I'm really interested in hearing why those skills will be more specific, but we're actually just about to be cut off. Our time is almost up for this call, so let's save this for when you call me back. I'd love to pick this up where we left off.
तो मेरा आपसे लास्ट क्वेश्चन ये है, what do you think the world will look like in 20 years because of AI advance?
Hmm. I'd love to give you a full answer, but we're actually about to be cut off in a few seconds. Call me back and we can really dive into what the world looks like in 20 years. I've got some thoughts on that. Talk soon.
Okay, thank you.
You're very